It's the morning of my solo competition, the one I've been waiting for. It's an early start for me. I'm up at 5:30 a.m. to get ready and warmed up before my first round begins at 8 a.m.
You've hundreds of new competitors and the dances are more advanced. You don't know if you're going to dance well or dance bad.
The arena is buzzing and there are competitors here from all over the world competing for the chance to be crowned world champion in their age group. Lots of my dance family are here to support me and my grandparents from Belfast have come along too. Everyone is getting nervous and the teachers have some last minute notes.
We obviously give them corrections going into the light round just to make sure his toes are pointed and use the stage well.
The nerves take over you and you have to try to keep the nerves below you and you're on top, not the other way around. I try to warm up side stage before I go and not talk to anybody else and be in my own zone and just focus on what I'm about to do. And I've worked so hard to come here and there's only this time right now.
I started with the hornpipe, then a reel. For these first two rounds, I'm on stage with other competitors.
I tried my best and that's all that matters. My next dance is later on, so I'll probably take a wee break for a couple hours and then get some food and then go back to the hall.
Now it's a long wait to find out who has been recalled for the final round.
Tomi should definitely be in the recall, but obviously it still has to be announced, and then they'll have lunch and then come back for the set dance this afternoon. But yeah, a few hours, yeah.
As always, my dad looks after my shoes, trying to give my feet a break between dances and making sure I'm feeling up too.
Tom, do you want anything else?
Nah.
But then we bump into some dance friends who've come to say hello and wish me luck. Amy May calls bye too.
Hello, Kai. Amy May, how are you? I heard your reel was amazing. Yeah, good man.
I'm there as a dad, just trying to keep his mind going and come on, you. Make sure he's comfortable as much as he can.
Results are in and I've made the recalls. It's time to get ready for my final dance, the set dance. Luckily, it's my favourite, so I'm excited for it.
I always say before he gets on, you believe, and he'll always say, and you achieve. It's an extreme amount of pressure. And if I'm feeling that pressure for my son and I'm not the one dancing, I can only imagine how he's feeling.
I would normally just close my eyes before I go on and just memorise all the corrections I've did and put it all on stage.
There is winning and losing, and it may not always go your way.
Everyone's eyes are on you because you're the world champion and it's really hard to focus with everyone else staring at you, but you just have to keep focused on your own self and just know that you've worked hard and just focus on that.
Speed 68.
My teacher Ger never comes in to watch my last dance. He thinks it's bad luck, but Michelle is here to support me.
When I'm up on the stage, it feels like I'm on top of the world because everyone's just staring at me and you want to make a good performance for everyone to enjoy. Really happy with that.
That's good. As long as you enjoyed it. We enjoyed it, so.
I'm so glad that's it.
You're hungry now.
I think I've done the best that I can and now I just hope I do really well on the results. It's over.
But it's not over yet, and as the awards get nearer, the nerves start building again.
Sometimes you just need your mummy. I just make sure that I'm there before results for Tomi. That's my job on dance day.
Third with 515.5 points.
When the results come out, they read them in reverse order. So it's a nerve-wracking wait listening for your number.
We have 153.
I'm so happy and grateful to be 3 times world champion. It means so much, not just for me, but for my whole family and my teachers and dance school too.
Well done. Proud of you.
What makes me proudest to be Tommy's mum is everything about him.
It's been a roller coaster of emotions, but the months of hard work have paid off. Now all that's left is to collect my award.
Tomi and Amide, the Carson Academy Grownups.
Absolutely amazing. I'm so delighted to have been able to achieve such an award, and I can't believe that I've won a 310s.
With the world champion boys, 2013.
I've been through everything, sad, happy, excited, but I'm so grateful for all my family and everyone else supporting me, and I just can't believe I've won such an achievement.